Why is the leaf on this leaf propagation turning yellow in color? We will be talking about that in detail. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, Lush Gardener. So these were some of the leaf propagation which I had done on the 14th of October 2022, and this is now the month of December, and you can see they are doing excellent. All of the mother leaf are very healthy. Just one of them which is starting to look a little bit light yellow in color. Now there is nothing to be worried about this. It's absolutely normal, which means that this particular yellow mother leaf has completed the cycle. The only issue is that it happened a little bit early. Now again, it completely depends upon the pup, how fast it starts to take up the energy, the water, the nutrients from that mother leaf, which is absolutely normal. You do not need to be worried. But there is something that you need to pay attention. Now this leaf, you can see it's more yellow in color. It's not plump, it's not mushy, it's not turning dark in color. If the mother leaf is plump, it is turning black in color, you have to immediately separate it from the pup. Otherwise, the rotting mother leaf can transfer that rot on to the pup. It is a very tricky situation to do. But over here, I do not need to be worried because this is a very natural cycle for the mother leaf to start to dry out. This is a little early stage that it's starting to happen, but it's absolutely normal. If you're going to look at the leaf, you can see the leaf is very thin. It does not have any juice left in it. It's not plump. It's getting a little bit wrinkled. The reason is because the pup is pulling out or sucking out all of the energy, nutrients and water from the mother leaf. It's basically like, if I have to give you an example, it's like drinking juice out of a Tetra pack. When you have that last little drop left, you want to squeeze out that. So you squeeze the Tetra pack to get that juice out. That's exactly how it tends to work with leaf propagation. So over here, the pup has kind of squeezed out everything that is present inside the mother leaf. All I have to do is wait for some more time. I will wait for it to naturally turn brown. When it turns brown, it's going to be very crisp and it will be very easy to pull it out from the pup. Right now as well, I can pull it out, but still there is a little bit of nutrients left in the mother leaf. Apart from that, if you're going to try to pull out the mother leaf at this stage, it's going to be little rubbery. Basically, it's going to have that little bit of elasticity. So if you're going to try to pull it out, it might not come out in one go. So wait for it to completely turn brown and crisp. Then it's going to be very easy to take it out. Either you can just pull it out with a tweezer or with the slightest touch. Once it's completely dry, it will come off easily without damaging the pup. So all you need is a little bit of patience. If you have reached to this stage, it's a very good thing because a lot of times the pups don't even reach to the stage. But if you have reached to the stage wherein you are able to separate the mother leaf once it's dry, it's a very, very good sign. Now, of course, as I said, after this is what the journey starts. These pups are probably less than a centimeter right now. They look a little bit big because I have zoomed in. So as I said, the journey actually begins after the mother leaf has been detached from the pup, and when the pup is on its own, that is when your actual journey begins. So you need to have a lot of patience. So guys, I hope that this video was helpful to you. If it was, please hit the like button. If you're new to my channel, please consider subscribing to it. Until then, take care, stay safe and keep propagating.